Listen up, I've got a story that will blow your mind, just like it blew mine. One of my clients, let's call him Alex, was a real estate agent, burning through tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook and Instagram ads, month after month. And what did he get? Almost nothing. A few leads here and there, mostly unqualified, nothing close to the results he wanted. Then he came to me and said, either you help me fix this, or I'm done with ads forever. And guess what? After eliminating 5 simple but deadly mistakes, the same 5 I'm about to show you, Alex hit the results in 7 days that he thought would take a month. In our campaign, we generated 250 real estate leads, and from those, 24 turned into exclusive signed listing agreements. The cost per lead? Around $30, which is incredibly low when a single closed deal means $1,000 in commission. The only difference, we fixed these 5 mistakes that 99% of agents make in their Facebook and Instagram ads. If you don't eliminate them, you will keep throwing money down the drain, hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars every year. But if you do fix them, you will save a fortune and finally see your ads work the way they should. And if you stick with me till the end, I've got a free gift, my Facebook ads real estate lead generation checklist, plus an audit template you can use to instantly spot what's wrong with your ads or with your campaigns. Same one my paying clients get from me. Let's get into it. The first mistake that's killing ad budgets in 2025 is missing Advantages Plus campaigns. Meta rolled out a huge update this year, codename Andromeda. The game has changed. Here is what I see: 2 extremes, both wrong. Extreme number 1, agents who blindly trust AI. They open Ads Manager, click Advantage Plus and add no targeting, no hints, nothing, just hit publish and think the AI will do everything. Extreme number 2, agents who don't trust AI at all. They avoid Advantage Plus, set every targeting detail manually, go ultra narrow and only run tiny remarketing drops. Both approaches kills your results. The truth is in the middle. You set up Advantages Plus, but you give it guidance, add interest and targeting hits so AI knows where to start, but don't choke it. It's like using GPS. The GPS knows where you are going, but you still hold the steering wheel. Alex made the mistake number 1. He trusted the algorithm blindly. His ads were showing to teenagers, retailers, and people in other countries. 0 buyers, 0 sellers. When we added targeted real estate interest, home buying, first-time buyers, mortgage loans, property investments, everything changed. The algorithm found the people ready to talk to an agent. Mistake number 2. Running ads like it's still 2015. Separate campaign for top of the funnel, middle of the funnel and bottom of the funnel. They used to work, not anymore. Yes, people still go through the stages of awareness, but now you run one campaign, one ad set, and inside it you place creatives for every level of awareness. Here is how. Level 1, unaware. They don't even know they have a real estate need. Create curiosity ads. Example, do you know 80% of home buyers overpay because of this? Level number 2, problem aware. They know they want to buy or sell but don't know how. Educate them. Example, why your home isn't selling and what to do about it. Level number 3, solution aware. They know they need an agent, but not why you. Show your unique selling proposition. Level 4, product aware. They know you, but aren't sure yet. Use testimonials and case studies. Level number 5, ready to buy or sell, direct offer and strong call to action. Alex used to run separate campaigns for each stage. Chaos, wasted budget. We moved to one campaign with all stages covered, and the algorithm matched the right message to the right person at the right time. Mistake number 3, ignoring new ad placement and formats. Most agents still run just Facebook feed, Instagram feed, maybe stories. Meanwhile, Meta is rolling out new spots every month. Messenger, inbox, in-video ads, even notifications. On these new placements, competition is lower, costs are lower, and results can be higher because your competitions aren't there yet. We tested this for Alex ads in Messenger and in video ads while people were watching property tour. Cost per lead dropped by over 50% compared to the unusual fees. Rule: every week check Ads Manager for new placements. test them, and keep what works. By the way, if you want my free Facebook ads real estate lead generation checklist, the same one I give my paying clients, comment below, send me the checklist. And I will send you a PDF with 5 pre-launch checks and audit templates so you can fix your campaigns today. This is what I use to generate 200 plus leads and turn them into a signed listing agreements in days. Send me the checklist in the comments and I will get it to you. Mistake 4, over controlling your targeting. I see agents still running hyper narrow audiences, men 33 to 37 living in one zip code interested in home design who visited my site last week. Congratulations, you have just given Facebook an audience of 200 people, or they recycle old saved audiences from 3 years ago before the market shift. The algorithm knows more about your ideal buyers and sellers than you do. It sees behaviors data will never have access to. Use Advantage Plus with broad base but add 5 to 10 interests to guide it. Alex's old audience was just 50,000 people when we went broader with Advantages Plus. The algorithm found ready to move clients in the cities he wasn't even targeting. And finally, the mistake number 5, not enough creatives. Agents make 1 or 2 ads and expect miracles. Or they try to make one ad cover every awareness stage. It doesn't work. You need multiple creatives, ideally 2 or 3 per stages. That's 10-15 variations. It's not as hard as it sounds. Turn a video into an image with a keyword. Turn the image into a carousel. Turn the carousel into a video with voiceover. One idea, multiply formats. The algorithm will figure out what works for each audience segment. When Alex went from 2 creatives to 12, we went from struggling for leads to 250 leads and 24 exclusive signed listings in a matter of days. So let's recap the 5 mistakes that are killing your Facebook ad and Instagram ads. Misusing Advantage Plus, either blind trust or total avoidance, running old school TOFU, MOFU, BOFU campaigns instead of one unified campaign, ignoring new placements and formats, over controlling targeting, not creating enough creatives for all awareness stages. Fix this and you will stop wasting thousands of dollars and start generating consistent, high quality real estate clients. And don't forget, comment, send me the checklist and I will send you my pre-launch checklist and add audit template. This is exact process I use with agents to bring in hundreds of leads and dozens of signed arrangements without blowing up your ad spend. Hit like and subscribe and I will see you in the next one.